My name is John Clouatre. I'm most recently in the data center network engineering team at one of the largest global payment processing companies. Most consumers think about our products, it's the piece of plastic in your wallet, right? But as Paul said, the product is really our network, right, that's enabling all this to happen. On an average day, we will settle over $10 billion worth of financial transactions. Last quarter, we had around 350 million different security incidents related to our network. To kind of achieve these targets that we're setting and meet these security requirements, we need visibility into our network, right? We need to know what's happening there and be able to react when there's incidents or things that are happening. We've been doing this a long time, right? We've been using this for a long time, and up until about 3 years ago, what that solution looked like for us was a monolithic modular chassis, right? Multiple monolithic modular chassis, right, in our data center. And those chassis were obviously running proprietary software. They were expensive to maintain, and we were reaching a point where we couldn't really scale that effectively any longer. We needed a different solution. And so we started looking at distributed solutions, moving away from a centralized architecture. We went out into the market to look at what vendors had to offer, and there really wasn't anything available outside of Big Switch that met all those requirements that we had. Previously, a handful of devices that are centralized. Now you have potentially hundreds of devices distributed that you need to operate and manage. And Big Switch is able to kind of elegantly solve that problem using the software-defined controller, where you can still take advantage of the distributed architecture, but you have a central control plane there. So for operations, that's a huge win. Actually, it's even better than what we had with the centralized architecture, because it was still multiple chassis that are managed box by box. This is just a single controller that manages the entire fabric for the data center. Extending that further, we're talking about multiple data centers around the globe, and Big Switch released a multi-cloud director, which is basically a controller of controllers. And that gives us a single kind of view into all of our global deployments. For our operations team, that was a huge win.